Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga with Maria. I'm Maria, and today I'm bringing you yoga on the couch or yoga from the couch. This is a great one if you're working from home and using the couch as your home office. Maybe you're feeling sick and you can't get up from the couch, or maybe you're just binge watching a lot of Netflix or HBO. These are great things to do on the comfort of your own sofa, using things that are on most people's sofas like pillows and blankets and things like that. So hop on the couch, get into something comfy, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and let's get started. Alrighty, my couch potatoes, you can just find a comfortable seat with one ankle across in front of the other. And we'll just take both arms wide here. And then you'll just take one arm up and overhead and drape it over the head. And then the hand will reach toward your ear. And then the other arm will outstretch long away from you. And you'll just take and tip the head away from that extended arm. You can close the eyes here and begin to tune into the breath. Try not to take this too far. So most of us hold a lot of tension in the shoulders and the neck is an especially sensitive place in the body. So take it slow. Tune into the breath so that you can tune into the body. And then gently return the head back to neutral or straight up and down, and then extend this arm long, and then we'll just take the other arm up and overhead, drape it over the head, fingers reach towards the ear. And then that opposite arm reaches away from you, and you'll just slowly tip the head in the opposite direction. Try to take the ear straight towards your shoulder. And once again, maybe close the eyes and tune into the breath, just so that you don't overstretch here or harm yourself in any way. Just pausing as you start to feel an opening or a stretch, and just breathing and seeing what happens. There's no race here. There's no need to do anything super fast or super drastic. And then gently take the head back up to neutral, release the arms down. And then just take the hands to the knees. Let's lean back and put the opposite shin in front for good measure. Hands come to the knees. We'll just take some cat-cows in the spine. So on your breath in, lift the chest up. The chin lifts with the chest as well. And then on your exhale, round the spine. And if you feel like you're really sinking in, something that can happen when you're doing couch yoga is that, the cushions are cushy. So your seat kind of falls back. So most of us might have like a blanket, or I've got some pillows here that you could also use if you have that. Or you could literally take one of the, the back cushions and place it under the seat so that you have a more normal seat that would be equal to the floor, or that would elevate the seat a little bit. Good. And then hands come to the knees, and we'll just lift the chest and the chin for what would be a cow pose. And then you'll round the spine and take the chin towards the chest. The gaze comes down towards the feet. And then again, breathe in, lift the chest. Find broadness across the collarbones here. Breathe out, round the spine. One more like this. Inhale, chest and chin lift together. Exhale, round the spine. Good, and then come to sit up tall. And you'll just reach the arms up and overhead. And then take a twist to your right. I'm not mirroring you this time. The right hand comes back behind you. The left hand can just come to the knee. Good, and then you'll come back to center. That right arm's gonna reach all the way up and over, and just make a big X with the arms in front of you. And then from here, just bend the elbows, back so the hands come to touch. Or you can cross the wrist and press palms. Finding eagle wrap in the arms, you can just make little circles with the elbows. Maybe you take the arms side to side. So nice. And then unwind, arms reach all the way up, look up. And then twist to your left. So your right hand comes to your left knee, left hand comes back behind you. So nice. And then that arm comes all the way up and over, cross, and then bend the elbows, press the backs of the hands or the palms, and once again, make little circles. Take the elbows side to side. So nice. And then unwind, arms reach up. And then take the hands back behind you once again. Actually, let's take Baddha Konasana. So the soles of the feet come to touch. Good. And then take the arms wide, one hand comes down, and then just take a little side stretch here. If Baddha Konasana is too much, you can always just cross the opposite shin in front, and then switch again here, and we'll reach to the other side. So just starting to pay attention and tune in to whether you always cross one leg in front. Maybe you already sit on the couch cross-legged, but maybe try switching it to the other side for half of your show, or for like an entire meeting if you're taking a conference call or something like that. And then come up, and from here, we'll just let one leg, maybe the left leg, hang off of the couch, and you'll bring the other one, you'll just kind of leave it in that Baddha Konasana shape, pulling the knee in towards the chest. And then you'll hug it in towards the chest, and then let it open to the side. And then you'll turn your torso towards the knee and just walk the hands forward, kind of like in a forward fold. Yeah, and this is just a nice, might get a little opening in the outer hip. Good, and then walk the hands up, and then hug the knee in. And then from here, you can cross the wrist and catch either side of the foot, or you can interlace the hands underneath the thigh and just extend the leg is like long in front of you. And then bend the knee and flex the foot, and then straighten the leg and point the toe maybe. Bend the knee and point the toe. Good, and then release that foot down, and you'll hug the other knee. You can do either side first, and then open the knee to the side. Good, and then turn your torso towards that knee, and just walk the hands forward. Try to stay with your breath. Good, and then walk the hands back up. Hug the knee back in towards the chest. Once again, you can catch you can cross wrists and catch the either side of the foot and extend the leg long like this and bend. Or you can catch or interlace the fingers behind the thigh, extend the leg, and then bend. Extend and point, bend and flex. Try to sit up as tall as you can. Extend the leg and point, bend the knee and flex, and then just release the feet down. And then the last thing here is to come to lie down. So feet come up onto the couch, and then set yourself up so that the feet can hang over the ledge of the couch. And for here, my specific couch seems to have like a short back. So I'm gonna take a pillow and place it underneath the knees. And I think I'm actually gonna take 2 pillows and support myself here just so that I can get almost like a 90-degree angle in the knees. And then I might cross the wrist and take the arms behind the head and take the hands to rest underneath the shoulder blades. Just giving my legs and feet a rest, letting the thigh bones descend into the hip sockets. This is a really nice restorative posture. Maybe you could take it between meetings. If you're feeling sick, this might be just a nice restorative thing to take care of yourself a little bit. An easy restorative way to move the blood from the legs and the extremities back towards the heart without too much effort on your part. If you have the hands crossed behind you in any way, switch the grip. Just breathe. So nice. And then take the feet to the ledge of the couch or to your pillows and remove them. And then you could go further and take a little Shavasana on the couch here. And these pillows are pretty thin, so I could probably use one underneath the head. Maybe you have a blanket you can cover up with. Shavasana on the couch is where it's at if you've not tried it before. Find the Shavasana shape like you would on the floor and set a timer and stay here for 5 minutes. Try to not fall asleep, and there's no need to breathe in any special way, but try to stay alert. Try to allow this to be restorative for you. Maybe even play some spa music. I'll leave you here. Thanks for joining me today for yoga on the couch. Namaste, yogis. Another great thing to do on the couch is meditate. I actually often meditate on my couch with just a couch cushion underneath my seat. So if you need a little help in the way of guided meditations, I've got one right here on YouTube. It's a compassion meditation. It's 9 minutes. Check it out, give it a try, and I'll see you there.